So in Powersports Technology, we get to work on big kid toys for a living. Demand is high, our pay keeps increasing. It's a career you can make a living at. I always tell our students if they want a job, by the time they're done, they will have a job. They'll get probably on average 2 dealers a month looking for a technician. That's way more than we can put out, so definitely demand is high.
I drive a race car, so I've always been like a motorhead, but you don't really need to start off knowing anything. I didn't know anything really about small engines, so if you don't know anything, that's perfectly okay.
But I got into power sports later in high school. I knew that it was something I could learn and pick up. It just kind of clicked for me.
Now the technology that we're seeing in the vehicles that we work on, you have to have computer skills, you have to have superior troubleshooting skills. So there's a lot more that goes into it than just the mechanical aspect and turning wrenches. Our students have to be pretty well-rounded. We have students that not only work in the shop, they go on to be shop managers, service writers. They'll go on to own their own business. Some will go on to race teams. Some will go to work for major manufacturers. So there's a lot of different opportunities, a lot of different places you can take it.
I like the part where you just know no matter where you go, you'll have a job. Because stuff like this, they're hiring almost anywhere, and most places will pay pretty good for it.
We have students or graduates pretty much all over the state. Any large town, you go into a dealership and there's more than likely one of our graduates there, if not more. We typically have a student near every year placed in the podium at National Skills USA.
NDSCS is very different. Not all colleges can provide that individual hands-on experience. It was an easy decision for me.
I have always been a hands-on learner, so coming to NDSCS when everything was basically hands-on really helped me grow.
It's fun, it's comfortable, it's a very inviting learning environment.
So in our first year program, we start out with outdoor power equipment for 8 weeks. Then they move on to snowmobile technology. After Christmas break, they come back and have snowmobile and ATV 1. And then the last 8 weeks, they go out on their internship. A lot of the concepts roll over into the second year. Our first 8 weeks is motorcycle and ATV 2, where they cover the chassis, electrical, wheels. After that, they go on their second internship. When they come back from that, they will go directly into our marine semester. They do outboard marine engines, and the second semester is out drives.
Going to our shop classes like this is basically like going to a job. Everything we're doing is pretty close to what we'll be doing outside our class.
We started offering 3 different certificates. So we offer one in outdoor power equipment and snowmobile technology. We offer one in motorcycle and ATV technology, and a third one in marine technology.
I think a lot of people think that you might not be able to get as far with a 2-year degree, but it's more specialized and focused on what you're actually interested in. And you're saving money and investing into what you actually want to know. One of the most gratifying parts is definitely when you get a machine done and you figured out what was wrong with it and it finally runs. It's very satisfying and rewarding to see your hard work actually pay off.
We love it, the students love it. Who wouldn't love a career like that?